We have another example on the board. This time we're supposed to multiply two polar forms, but magnitudes are expressed in the decimals and angles expressed in radians. We're supposed to apply the same formula. So what we're supposed to do first, multiply the magnitudes. So I have 7.5 times 12.1. This is equal 90.75. Next, we're supposed to add angles. Of course, you can use the calculator, but sometimes the book is asking you to give the answer in terms of pi. So you have to know what to do. We're supposed to add these two angles. I have negative 2 pi over 3 plus pi. What we're supposed to do, because my first angle is expressed in terms of fraction, we have to convert pi to fraction. So I have negative 2 pi over 3 plus pi over 1. In order to add these two fractions, I'm supposed to find a common denominator. Common denominator for these two fractions is 3. That's why I have to multiply denominator and numerator of this fraction by 3. And I have negative 2 pi over 3 plus 3 pi over 3. Now I can add these two fractions. So I have negative 2 pi plus 3 pi is equal pi. And I'm supposed to keep the denominator, pi over 3. This is my angle. I have magnitude and I have angle. So I can say that 90.75 and angle of pi over 3 radians is the solution to my problem.